Hi there, friends. This is Josie, and I sound a bit stuffy because I've been really sick for the past few days, and I think I might have gotten COVID again. Anyway, this is the first day I've actually gotten dressed, and I'm outside with the piggy punks today because I had to let them out, and I got a package in the mail, so I thought I'd open it real quick. Anyway. Because I have to open it anyway. So I got the lifeguard set because I really wanted this, and I got 2 of these because I got these instead of getting Twinkle, the Tooth Fairy outfits, instead of getting Twinkle, because I really liked the Twinkle doll, but I thought she should have pink hair. I don't know why I thought she should have pink hair. I just thought she should, so I didn't get her. And I did get Camille instead of the other one. Is it Amari? But she has braces, and I liked her sculpt because she was different. So that's what. And I'm expecting something else, but it's a face. It's for your face. So anyway, that's what I got, and I just wanted to show you real quick. So take care, you guys, and stay healthy. All right, bye bye.